for drawing the isometric object, we need to keep the ISO's drafting mode on. For that, we need to click on this icon. Then we can toggle it by using the F and F5 if you are using a laptop, or if you are using a desktop, simply by pressing the F5, we will be able to change the planes like this. Okay. So this way we have changed the plane, right? So this is the ISO plane top, this is the ISO plane right, okay, ISO plane left. Okay. Now let us look at the object. The length of the object here is 110. Width of the object that we can see it in the top view, it is 60, and the height of the object that we can find out it from the front view as 40. Okay. So the location of the O is here. So the object needs to be drawn in this way that the front view is appearing to the left of the point O. So we will construct the box in such a way that the front view will be on the left side of the O. Okay, so let us draw the box first. So we take a layer as a projection line for the creation of box. So line. So here the 110 is the length we will mark first. Okay. The height is, in this case, is 40. Okay. Then again 110. Then close. Then width we will mark it on this side. So for that we need to shift the plane. So this is 60. Then we need to again shift the plane for the height, that is 40. Then we complete this box. Okay. Now we will copy this. You copy for the completing the box. Then you copy this line. Okay. Now once the box is ready, we can start drawing the object. We need to change the layers to the outline. Then we can see this total length is 110, and if we subtract this much is the part which is 50, this diameter is 30 and this is 15, so total here is 16. 110 minus 60 will give us a 15 mm. So the height of this part is 10 mm, and the width of, or the length that we can find out from the front view and the top view is 10. Okay, so we start it from this point. Height is 10, right? Then here the length is 50. Then after that we need to go upward by 30 mm. Then we need to go backward by 15 mm. So we will go backward by 15 mm. Right? Then here we will have to create a rhombus. So again I am keeping a line by keeping a gap of 20 mm. Okay, then click it out here. Then we can go backward. We can see we need to create this shape, right? So we will create this shape first. Then here this length is also 15. So we create a 15 mm length. Then this slot is of 10 mm. So we go upward by 10 mm. So we need to shift the plane 10 mm. Then its width is 30. Again shifting the plane. Then 10 mm. Then we will close this loop. Okay. This way we created this front object. Here we will have to create a rhombus. So for that, create a projection line. We need to take a iso circle. So we take this circle, ellipse, or we can also type it on the EL. Then we need to select it here, isocircle. Then we need to select the center of the isocircle. Then we click it on here. The remaining the part that we have to trim. Yes, this will be done. Then we know that the entire length is 60 and there is nothing in between. So we need to copy this part on the back side. So what we will do, we'll first complete the top side part. So copy this line here, 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 and here. Okay. Then join these lines. Okay. So we copy this line. Okay. Now we need to copy this circle. Copy at the back side. Then we need to trim out the part of the semicircle that we will not be able to see, right? So now this completes our this part, right? Then now let us focus on this part. So the width of this part, it can be seen that this is a semicircle of 30, total width is 60, so this length is 15, okay, and this length is also 15, and the semicircle starts at a distance of 20 mm inside. Okay, so we create a 15 mm, right? Then create a 30 mm, then we again create a 15 mm, right? Then height of this part is 10. Okay. So here delete line. This is 50 line F5 10. We are going inside by 20 mm. So we need to shift the plane 20 mm. Then here also go by 20 mm. Place an ellipse. We need to find out the midpoint. So for that finding out the midpoint, we need to construct the line here between, so that ellipse will be enabling us to have the midpoint. Select the isocircle. We need to shift the plane, right? Okay. I think it has enlarged, so I will redraw it. Ellipse, isocircle, midpoint, shifting the plane. Yes, done. Then trim out the part which is not necessary. Okay. Then here also we will trim out this part. Then we will copy this. Okay. We will trim out this part which is not there or not required. Okay. And then we will have to copy this line for showing the depth. This way our object is completed.